Welcome to our channel. If you're a business owner or an individual concerned about federal excise tax, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into strategies that could help you minimize or even avoid federal excise taxes legally and ethically. Stick around, and we'll show you how to keep more of your hard-earned money. What is federal excise tax? First, let's clarify what the federal excise tax, or FET, actually is. It's a tax imposed on specific goods and services like fuel, aviation, tobacco, and even certain types of insurance. If your business regularly pays this tax, you might wonder if there's a way to reduce or avoid it. The good news? Yes, there are legitimate ways. 1. Claim an exemption through an income tax treaty. One powerful strategy is to claim an exemption based on an income tax treaty with the United States. If you're a foreign insurer or reinsurer and your country has a treaty with the U.S., you might be eligible to avoid FET on insurance premiums. But there's a catch before claiming this exemption. You must enter into a closing agreement with the IRS. This document ensures that both parties agree on the terms, and once it's signed, you can use it to prove your exemption status. 2. Fix excess IRA contributions to avoid penalties. Another way to avoid excise tax is by correcting excess IRA contributions. If you've contributed more than allowed, you'll face a 6% penalty each year until it's corrected. The solution: withdraw the excess contributions and any earnings before the tax return due date, usually October 15th. But remember, you may need to include the earnings in your taxable income. And if you're under 59.5, there could be a 10% early withdrawal penalty. 3. Take required minimum distributions, RMDs. Once you reach 72, the IRS requires you to start taking required minimum distributions, RMDs, from your retirement accounts. If you don't, you could face a hefty 50% excise tax on the amount you should have withdrawn. To avoid this, make sure you take your RMDs on time and in full every year. Stay on top of this, and you'll avoid that significant penalty. 4. Deduct excise tax as a business expense. Lastly, did you know you can deduct excise tax as a business expense? If the tax is an ordinary and necessary expense of your business, like fuel tax for a trucking company, you can deduct it. Keeping detailed records is crucial here, so make sure you're tracking your expenses accurately. So, there you have it, 4 key strategies to help you minimize or avoid federal excise tax. From leveraging international treaties to correcting IRA contributions and taking your RMDs, these methods can help you keep more money in your pocket. If you're ready to file your Form 720 or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Simple 720, your IRS authorized file provider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tax-saving tips.